Trump won the South Carolina Republican Republican primary after losing South Carolina. Mexico President's son, presidential candidate announced leak of phone numbers, say threats to the seat. National news. Gadkari inaugurates Ram Setu Bridge in Balotia. PM Modi visits Ram Setu's origin point in Tamil Nadu ahead of Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya. Now, the state news. Hindi Training College students donate blood. Manipur Imphal Ring Road construction to start by March end. Sports news. FIH Hockey Pro League. Indian women find joy after tough few weeks upset world's number 3 Australian in an Olympics repeat. Last but not the least, weather reports. Today's maximum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature is 11 degrees Celsius. So here we come to the end of today's morning assembly news. Thank you all and have a nice day. Now for today's speech, I would like to call out Trustee Murata.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Trustee Murata from Class 6E, presenting you a speech on the topic, an ideal student. An ideal student is someone who excels in their studies, shows high respect to their teachers, elders, and peers, and is aware of their responsibilities. They are honest, reliable, and their attitude reflects their integrity. They understand that high schoolers are not only the major success in life. An ideal student with their positive attitude and conduct inspire others. The qualities of an ideal student include hard work, loyalty, consistency, determination, and personal knowledge. An ideal student with their high aspirations sets an example for society and inspire younger generations. Hard work and consistency go hand in hand. Without hard work, nobody can climb the ladder of success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Christy, for the speech. Now I would like to call out our Vice Principal for a short speech.
Good morning, students. All my respected teachers. So, best of luck for your examination and have a pleasant day. Thank you.
Vice Principal for the speech. Now for today's call, I would like to call out Lieutenant Lauren Bell.
School, attention! Let's take our school off. I'm always regular and punctual. I'm a hardworking and trustworthy student. I'm an honest, sincere, disciplined, and responsible student. I always obey my teachers' advice and instructions.